Hey everyone, Jeff Snow with eXp Realty, and I'm here at 5005 Roland Road at our newest listing. Beautiful home, sits on 0.66 acres with a huge backyard, and just give you a look at some of the side views. And it also sits across from the lake in Woodbine Springs subdivision in Milton. So let's go in and take a look. Give you a little more look at the side entry for the oversized two-car garage. And there is a large bonus room above that. Could be an apartment, entertainment area, whatever you'd like to turn it into, and we'll go in and look at it later. And that's 567 square feet inside there. And inside the home, it's 3,108 square feet. Beautiful swing that sits outside. As we walk in, you'll have a formal family room here. Staircase that goes up. Formal dining room here. Leads into the kitchen. Living room, large living room with fireplace. There's a screened in covered porch on the outside. And you can see how big that backyard is. In the bonus room up top, you can see there's two sets of stairs that go up to it from the outside, from the driveway or from the patio area. There's an extra bonus room out here that originally in the home was the two-car garage, but now it's a 20 by 20 room to be used however you need. Laundry room with an extra deep sink, cabinets, half bath here. Let's take a look upstairs. Going into the very large master bedroom, which has a walk-in closet. And then we go into the master bedroom, which also has another walk-in closet with a jetted tub. Tiled shower. Beautiful. And this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. First room off to the right is a very large room. And you also get a view of the lake across there. Probably not real good on video, but you can definitely see it. Upstairs bathroom. Third bedroom, which is good size. And it actually has a walk-in closet also. And this bedroom overlooks the driveway. So let's go out and take a look at that extra bonus room and tell me some of your ideas in the comments of what you would make it. So we'll definitely hopefully I won't start breathing too hard running up these steps. I'm supposed to be getting in shape. Alright. So this room has a split AC, brand new windows, and previous owners had it as an apartment. You can do so many things up here. So tell me how you would design this room. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this home or any homes, or would like to know the value of your home, just reach out to me, Jeff Snow, at 850-292-5420. Have a blessed day.